Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about upcoming Skoda Enyaq 4. The Skoda Enyaq IV has been spotted testing, hinting at a possible launch. Skoda Enyaq IV launch. Skoda's EV is expected to be launched by January 2023. Skoda Enyaq IV price. It should be priced around 60 rupees lakh, ex-showroom, Pan-India. Skoda Enyaq IV variants. The electric crossover is offered in 5 trims abroad, 50, 60, 80, ADX, and VRS. Skoda Enyaq IV battery, electric motor and range. Internationally, it gets the option of 3 battery packs, 52 kWh, 58 kWh, and 77 kWh. While the smaller 52 kWh and 58 kWh battery packs are paired to a rear-wheel drivetrain only, the latter can be had with both rear-wheel and all-wheel drivetrains. The bigger 77 kWh battery pack has a claimed range of up to 510 km. Skoda Enyaq IV charging. Using a 125 kW fast charger, its battery can be replenished 5 to 80% in 38 minutes. Skoda Enyaq IV features. The Enyaq packs a head-up display, a 13-inch touchscreen infotainment with connected car technology, panoramic sunroof, powered driver's seat with massage function, heated front and rear seats, and tri-zone climate control. Skoda Enyaq IV safety. Passenger safety is ensured by up to 9 airbags, a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot detection. Skoda Enyaq IV rivals. It will be an alternative to the likes of the Kia EV6, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and BMW i4. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.